guys, it's Crafts and Creativity, and welcome back to my channel. And today, we are going to be making some handy-dandy little Barbie shoes, Adidas shoes. You can call them Adidas shoes. So we might put the logo. So I'm going to be making out of foam board, hot glue, and possibly felt. So the first step is to heat up your hot glue gun and get your foam board and your scissors, and then you're just gonna wanna, right here, so you're just gonna wanna cut just like that. And I just cut out these two. I use this as my first template, so I could base it off of that. And I just did this. They don't look exactly the same, but I think that's okay because they look good enough. I've tried to do other ones and it didn't turn out so well. So these two, what we're gonna do, this is one shoe, this is the other shoe, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some felt. And this is a bad example. This is not how long it's gonna be and everything, but we're gonna do like this and then curl it over. Definitely not that big, but we're gonna do that. And in 3, 2, okay. So right here we have the felt just glued onto the piece of foam board. Very, very simple. And we have this just like that. You can add any sorts of decorations you want, but this is just, I was trying to come up with the simplest way of making kind of a cute shoe. So I guess this was the simplest way that I could think of. So you can add any decorations, any like Adidas logo or anything you want. So I was using her as an example, her feet. Hello. So I was using an example as her feet, so just to see if they work. Hold on. Alright, here's how they look on her. I like them a lot. I'm not impressed, but I like them a lot. But I think they're just a cute little around the house shoe. That's very, very simple. It's just a simple craft that you can do at home. Foam board and felt and hot glue, that's all you need. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Very short and quick, but yeah, comment down below what video I should do next. Oh, I might do the fudge brownie video next. That will probably be my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe and have a good time.